Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for the second installation of Mascara Mondays. This is my series that I'm going to attempt to keep up on, where I put a new mascara through the rigors of my impossible face every week. I mentioned in my last video that I have tried so many mascaras and in one way or another it has failed me somehow. I can make do with a couple different mascaras, like one on my top lash and one on my bottom lash, but I've never found one that does everything for me. So I'm going to be putting these mascaras through like a systematic test, including a 16-hour wear test through a work day. Went and got my hair bleached blonde. I'd never been blonde before. I have actually never gone this light. I've got like balayage all throughout my hair. It was so beautifully done. In this lighting it looks a lot warmer than it is, but I've almost got like gray streaks, like silver and gray streaks through it, and I love it. Like with this makeup, like the really dramatic makeup and the blonde, like this PC blonde that I've got going on right now, I feel like I've got like this early 90s Seattle grunge Courtney Love vibes without the heroin and batshit crazy. This week, the mascara that's going to be put through the gauntlet is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is one of the new mascaras on the scene, as it were. This is from the brand Milk Makeup. This is a brand that is exclusive to Milk Makeup's website, Sephora, and Urban Outfitters. The mini, which is what I have, it retails for $12. The full-size tube of this mascara retails for $24. It comes in exactly one shade. That is black. Call it Boom. What happened to just calling it black? They advertise this mascara to be vegan and cruelty-free, which is awesome. High volume. Unique heart-shaped fibers, thicken lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curl. Sounds good to me. Naturally lit. Cannabis oil nourishes and conditions for healthier-looking lashes in one hit. Puff Puff Brush. Catches, curls, and coats a pure pigment intense black formula for defined clump-free lashes. Good deal, I like that. 95% saw high volume, 95% saw longer lashes, 90% saw thicker lashes, and 90% saw lifted lashes. Lifted lashes. This product is supposed to contain CBD oil, cannabidiol oil, sticking with its weed theme. Looking at the ingredients, cannabis sativa seed oil is about halfway down. I wouldn't expect it to factor up very high, because it's a mascara and we want it to hold. According to the website, is conditioning hemp-derived cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout, which is nice. Nobody likes flaking all over their face. The hydrating formula also fills the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. Unique hollow heart-shaped fibers lock onto lashes in each direction, adding width, length, and for long-lasting volume and curl. The Puff Puff Brush. Taper tree-shaped brush with crisscross bristles, coats, and lifts every single lash from root to tip for a defined clump-free effect. Layer on for added intensity without globs. I plan to test that. Ever since the inception of Milk Makeup, we wanted to create a product that provides the amazing properties of cannabis. When we started talking about coming out with vegan, high-volume, blah, 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 blah. Okay, can we just stop? The advertising campaign for this was clearly banking on being edgy and riding the wave of popularity that cannabis is currently enjoying. Which is, not a big deal. I have nothing against cannabis. It's not legal in my state. The whole advertising campaign was less about the possible benefits of cannabis oil and more on the edgy stoner culture, California insta-baddie type of image. And they layer it on real thick. Be careful there, Milk. You're gonna cut yourself on all that edge. Anyway, moving on. Like I said, I got the little, deluxe size, or the mini size from Sephora. This was $12, or this might have been a free sample, I'm not sure. It comes in a really heavy metal tube. It's like, the weight of this is impressive. It's like almost like ridged, kind of like how the edge of like a quarter would be almost. Now this has a huge brush. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. This is like ridiculously thick. Like the brush is humongous. And it reminds me a lot of like Dior Show. The OG Dior Show mascara that was like the one and only mascara that anybody used for the longest time back in the day. It had like this obnoxiously huge wand. That was its selling point. But yeah, it reminds me a lot of that. The formula, from what I can tell, is kind of moussey. It's not real thin, which I like. Very black, but not real black. It almost looks like a satin black. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and test this. I do have a full face of makeup on, but I did not tight line my eyes. I have no black liner on my waterline at all, upper or lower, because I want to test this without creating the illusion of thicker lashes, which is what the whole point of tight lining is. And in case you didn't watch my last video, the things that I'm looking for in a mascara are two things. Number one, it holds a curl. My lashes are impossibly stick straight. They do not hold a curl. Number two, it doesn't smudge. My lower lashes touch right here. And over the course of a day, my lower lashes touching that area will eventually lead to mascara transfer, and I get like these little black smudges right here, and eventually my lower lashes just disappear because all the mascara has transferred to my upper cheek. I'm going to start by curling my lashes. This is the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler. I like this one a lot. I actually just picked up my old Shiseido one the other day because I couldn't find this one on the mess that is my vanity. And I actually don't like the Shiseido one as much anymore. It pinched me. Alright, one lash curled. Let's go ahead and apply the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Okay, some first impressions. It went on kind of thick. It dried very quickly, and I've kind of got some like spider leg effect on the very outside of my lashes. It's darker than I thought it would be, but it's not like super pitch black. And it failed the first test. It's not holding a curl. On the website, it made mention from the brush that it has a defined clump-free effect and to layer it on for added intensity without globs. I want to test that. So let's layer the shit on. Okay. Milk, I'm calling bullshit. I'm going to try curling my lashes again to see if it will hold a curl after mascara has been applied, which is not ideal, but something I can work with. If anything, curling them again has highlighted the clumpy mess of spider legs that are attached to my eyelids. But it's not holding a curl either. Though it did not hold up to my first requirement of holding a curl, I am going to put it through a 16-hour wear test at work and see how it holds up. Just because then I can get a good idea of how long it will last when it starts to transfer and so on. And I will report back to you guys in a little while. Okay, so I put the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara to a long wear test during one of my hospital shifts. I wasn't real optimistic considering I didn't make it past my makeup desk before my lashes were already flat. But there was no way for me to tell if it was going to smudge. But as you can see, I got panda eye, something bad. I did notice it starting to smudge around hour 4, which is not acceptable. It didn't even just smudge, it smudged in 2 places. Like in the puffy part of my under eye, which is super puffy right now because I am on like 36 hours awake and not about it. And then again, like right here. So I have double panda eye. Big old fail. Big fat F for fail. There was nothing about this mascara that I liked. Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, No. Wouldn't buy it again, wouldn't use it again, wouldn't recommend it to anybody. So, alright, I'm gonna get off here.
Please stand by for further details. We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Alright, that's my review of the Kush Mascara by Milk Makeup. I hope you found this informative or at least somewhat entertaining. If so, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and tap the little notification bell right next to that subscribe button. It will alert you when I upload videos. And lastly, before you leave, hit the thumbs up button and like this video. It helps me out so much. Support small YouTubers. Alright, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Take it easy.